Hello friends, welcome back. Apple fans, get ready. Apple has just announced something big, a new iMac featuring the all-powerful M4 chip with AI features. So what does this mean for Apple's iconic desktop? Let's dive in and see what makes this iMac special. First up, the heart of this new iMac is Apple's M4 chip. Known for taking performance to new heights, the M4 chip is not only faster but brings in advanced machine learning and AI capabilities. This means quicker processing, better graphics, and super smooth multitasking for any job you throw at it. Whether it's video editing or AI-driven tasks. Speaking of AI, the M4 iMac will support AI tools integrated right into macOS. This AI boost could mean major productivity gains, especially for creators and professionals. From smart photo and video enhancements to advanced predictive text and customized suggestions across apps. Apple's new AI features are designed to help you work smarter, not harder. Now let's talk design. Apple's always kept the iMac sleek and stylish, and the M4 iMac follows suit with stunning color options and that super thin profile. But it's not just about looks. The display is sharp and vibrant, bringing Apple's signature Retina clarity, which is perfect for designers, photographers, and anyone who values high-res visuals. Alright, you're probably wondering about the price. While there's no official confirmation yet, rumors suggest it'll be close to the current iMac pricing, but don't quote us just yet. Stay tuned for pre-order announcements that could drop any day now. So, what do you think of Apple's M4 iMac with AI? Could this be the desktop upgrade you've been waiting for? Let us know in the comments if you'll be picking one up. And don't forget to subscribe for the latest on all things Apple.